Coming to the fourth type of scheduling algorithm, disk scheduling algorithm, that is a Cscan. So in the previous video I explained about the scan. So the scan means we are just scanning the, means whatever the direction you are taking, whether the larger number or smaller number, whatever direction you have taken. So the direction, once you are moving that, you have to reach the end of the track. So whether if you are moving in this backward direction, means to lower numbers, you have to reach up to 0, okay, and move back. If you are moving from larger number, you have to reach up to 199 and again move back. So that is a scan. C-scan means this is also restricted scanning in one direction only, but when the last track has been visited in one direction, the arm is returned to opposite end of disk and scan begins again. So instead of reversing that, it is just moving to opposite side. Now let us see. It is just restrict scanning, just like a scanning to one direction only. To one direction only. And here, when the last track has been visited in one direction, the arm is returned to opposite. Instead of moving reversed, the arm is returned to opposite end. The arm is returned to opposite end of disk and scan will begin from that side. The scan begins again. So the advantage in the scan here is it provides more uniform wait time when compared to scan. Let me write that also. Advantage: provides more uniform wait time compared to scan. So C-scan is nothing but a circular scan. Circular scan, because it is moving to the opposite and it is rotating like a circular. Now let us take the example how this circular scan will be done. So the same example we are taking, that the disk contains 200 tracks, that is from 0 to 199, and the request queue contains the tracks like 93, 176, 42, 148, 27, 14 and 180. And the current position of read write head. Current position of read write head, that is the arm position, was starting at 55. Now I had to calculate the total number of track movements by read write head using the C-scan. So the direction here also I am taking. Direction is towards large values. So only for the scan and C-scan the direction has to be mentioned. Now let us take this a track 0 to 199. The arm starts at 55. So now I am moving. I had to move towards larger value. So 55, the next larger value of 55 is 93. So 93. So next larger value is 148. 148. So next larger value is 176. Next 180. So what I said, in the scan you have to move to the end of the track, end of the disk. Okay, means you have to reach up to 199. Even the scan also, in the circular scan also, you have to move up to 199. Because once if you go back, you come, if you want to come to this position again, it takes lot of time. So it's better to move up to the end of the disk. Okay. So it comes to 199 and next it goes to, it is in visited in one direction, the arm is written to opposite end. Opposite end means 199 to, it directly reached to 0 position. So in the circular scan, it reached to the opposite. So 199 opposite is 0. So it directly goes to 0. From 0, its visit first 14. The next largest value of 0 is 14. So next largest value of 14 is 27. Next 42. So this is a circular scan. The only difference is we are moving, instead of moving the backward, we are just moving to the opposite direction. That is, you reach the 0 and again you are checking whether any track is unvisited. Okay. Now calculate the total number of track movements of read-write head using circular scan. So this is one direction. The arm moves in this direction from 55 to 199. So 199 minus 55. So next the arm moves from this direction. So this is second direction. That is from 199 minus 0. From 0 to 42. So that is 42 minus 0. That is total 385. So the 385 is the total number of track movements by read-write head using circular scan. Thank you.